Okay, next we gotta find where the doors and windows go. And I found in my room that my doorway coming into my room is right here. And I have a 30-inch wide door, and it's located in the middle of this wall. So I found with my measure, I have a 9-inch gap between the corner and my door was 30 inches across. And I found for the floor up, I had an 84-inch tall door. I'm going to take a pencil tool and just draw in from intersection to intersection to intersection. That door is done. I'm going to erase off my little guidelines. Same way you kind of mapped out that little square when the triangle's drawing, same thing here. On my closet wall here, I didn't measure the width, I forgot that, but I do know measurement from this wall was 24 inches in, from this wall was 24 inches in, and then from the floor up, that same 84-inch measurement was this door. So I'll draw that one in, intersection to intersection to intersection, and then you erase off the measurements. And then the window, I had two window walls, and those were in this corner. So kind of corner of the house was right here. Windows again, these were kind of almost centered. Kind of odd place for them, but that's what they build them. That's fine. It was a foot in, and we have a 48-inch. Oops, get out of there. A 48-inch wide window, so 48. Nope, didn't work. Try that again. Measure. Hold on. Try it again. Not cooperating. Okay. 48-inch measurement. Here too, same thing. It was 12 off the corner, and then 48 inches wide. Nope, it's not cooperating. There it goes, 48 inches wide. And both are the same 84 to the top. Same 84 to the top. And I found the bottom was up 36. Up 36. Same. Kind of neat that way. I'm going to try this as rectangles. I'm just going to click, drag the corner. Click, drag the corner. And erase off my guidelines. So wherever your windows and doors are, map them out, measure them up, and draw them in. And that step is ready for the next step.